What's up, guys? Kings Elite Breaks back again, doing number 6 of today's Monday release of 2019 Kings Elite Breaks Buyback Series 1 Hockey. Line A, McDavid, Ovechkin, Besser, 1 box break, 2 random teams, number 6. 15 total spots, 2 random teams. Don't really need to explain all of this. We've done so many already, and this is a personal. Kyle bought out all 15 spots, Kyle Kramer on YouTube, so no need to randomize anything. Show you guys the remaining boxes right there. So I have quite a few, guys. Still some huge hits hiding in there. Now, let's quickly generate a box number. We've done a handful of boxes. 20, 14, 5, 4 in box 1. So there's still plenty of numbers out there. Now let's quickly refresh this. And generate. 14. Is that still there? Actually, I think we did 14. Did I just say that? Yeah, we already did 14. Let's do that again. 17. Yes, it is there. Box 17. Don't want to drop my little tower wall. And that was his last box, Kyle. Well, hopefully he ended off on a good note. Box 17, right? We pulled out box 17. All right. All right, box 17. Oh, this is a one-carder. Woo! Woo! All right, Kyle. Hey, Alex Ovechkin. That is jersey number 8 of 15 from Splendor Hockey. And there you go. There's the Ovechkin. Kind of hard to see, but it is 8 of 15. Little jersey number. Ovi from Splendor Hockey. And there you go. Oven chicken. A little insider that you guys may remember. Well, there you go, man. Appreciate it. Congratulations on selling it out. Hey, the randomizer was in your favor and pulled out a nice box. Still really nice boxes remaining, guys. Remember, don't be like, all right, this thing is over. That's it. Let's not stop breaking it. Like, no, there's still some really nice stuff hiding in there. Let's find out. Kings Elite. We'll see you.